Cool Kicks YouTube channel, Puente Hills Mall. Of course, we got the Champs outlet, that's why. And it's been 2 weeks since I've been here. Pretty much the best prices on Mitchell and S out of anywhere. So you know I had to stop by, see what's up. For $20, you can get the Mitchell and S. These are the Bel Air Academy shorts right here. Can grab that. Let's see, make sure what sizes. Large right here, we got medium, we got double XL, we got small, we got plenty of sizes. The navy one as well, their jerseys also going for 20 bucks. I got the Marquette jersey. Dwayne Wade, Marquette, go for 20 bucks. Mitchell and S Lakers shorts. I want to say I have these already. Man, I should have looked. I should have looked before I left the house. Because they have like a primarily gold one. And then they have a primarily purple one on the side with the splatter paint stuff in the middle. And I want to say I have one. But yeah, these are mediums right here, 20 bucks. It looks like mediums and small only on those. Do got these right here, 125. These are the Chinese New Year ones. Also $20. Let's see, these are smalls right here. Looks like small medium for the Chinese New Year shorts. Right there, they got these very flowery Dodger shorts right here. These are pro standard. Medium, normally $70. Looks like these are 20 as well. I see mediums. I see mediums with these New York Yankees ones as well. Then it looks like those Raptor shorts are 20 bucks as well. Lakers ones also 20. Those are the sketch. And they got these right here as well. Are these too kiddish? I don't know. The thing about these is if you wear these, you need to wear a super white shirt. Can't have colored a little bit. Has to be extra white because that white usually stays way whiter than regular t-shirts. $115 down to $20. $115 down to 20 bucks. Is this worth getting? Is that worth getting? 20 bucks. I don't know. I might have to think about that. 20 bucks. Dodgers jackets right there. That's a pro standard. That's a Mitchell and S. $60 for that. $100 for that. I got pro standard shirts right here. It's like a short sleeve, but it does have a hoodie on it. Does have some nice embroidery on it. $30 for that. These are normally like 55, 60 bucks. Seattle one right here. This is a large, medium. Yeah, those are both Seattle. $20 for that. Got San Francisco Giant shirt going for $10. These are New Eras, I think. Yeah, I got a few Giants ones right there. And then do got Lakers shorts and stuff. I don't know if these look like freaking they feel like, yeah, they got the ball catchers inside, so it does look like they are the swimming trunks. And then got Dodgers shorts right here. The color's just weird. Like what are you gonna wear that with? You have to wear that with a white t-shirt, I guess. You got these pro standard shorts. These are XL right here. I'm pretty sure these are $20. But yeah, these are normally 70 bucks. If you guys need running shoes, this place definitely a great spot. The Rebels, these are normally like 100 bucks down to 40. The Adrenaline GTS, this is one of their premier shoes. $140 down to $60. That's a nice Brooks right there. They got Levitates right here. Are these the 180s? No, the Kayanos. These are the Kayanos right here going for 50 bucks. They got Nimbus right here. Cumulus right here. Yeah, I don't know what these are. The Nimbus right there as well. So got running shoes. If you guys need running shoes, definitely a dope spot. I did buy a ton of these for hella cheap. I don't know what the price for this one is though. But yeah, I bought a blue one here. These are 30 right here. These are 20. These are 20 bucks. I did get one for one of my workers, as well as various other things. I got Crocs for $30, USA color right here. Got this rainbow color one right here, go for 30. 30 for this blue one right here. 30 for the Galaxy. That one went down in price. That was 40 before. And then this new, this one is a closed toe though. This new one right here, 30 bucks for that. Then this lava colorway going for 30 right here. Donovan Mitchell threes, volume threes. This is the volume twos. Yeah, the volume threes. $20 freaking dollars. $20 pretty much free. Holy cow. Got a few of them right here. For $20 freaking dollars. Are you serious? Holy cow. Holy cow. NMDs right here for 50 bucks. These still 50? No, it says regular price. I doubt it. I doubt it. I don't think it's marked. Still got these right here. 10.5. $60 for Infinities right here. The Kyrie Infinities. Ultra Boost. $80. This is actually a pretty dope colorway. If this is, you know, if you're like a fan of like the Tennessee Volunteers or something. Maybe even the Browns. Gill Zeros right there. All kinds of Hokas on sale. 100. These are 80 right here. 80 bucks for all these. This is the Bondis right here. I think these are like 90 bucks, 80, $90. That's a hell of a deal. That's their Max Cushion Juice. Hella comfy. And it's pretty much all black, so you can wear that with anything. Got some mock, what are these? The mock 5s right here. The Clifton 9s right here. This is hella comfy, especially for 80 bucks. And then you got the Rincon 3s right here. And then you got the Carbon X3s. This is one of the elite running shoes right here. This is a huge size of 14. Size 14 right here. That's hella cheap right there as well. More running shoes. Got tons of running shoes. Kinvara 13s. Going for 40 bucks, normally $1.20. Boots for the women right there. You got Vapor Max Plus for 100 bucks. RSX right here for 20 freaking dollars. Got Jordan 1 highs. Are these mids? Oh, these are mids, my bad. These are an SE, that's why. But yeah, this is a tiny, tiny size right here. Another RSX for 30 freaking dollars. Kinvara right here for women's. Down to 40 bucks. Glycerin, these are 120 bucks normally. Holy crap. $120 down to 40. These are some premier running shoes right here. That's what's up. I think this is their Max Cushion shoe right here, the Adrenaline GTS. I think these are right below those, right? Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But I know this is one of the top ones. So that's a hell of a price, especially for just black and white. You can wear that with anything. 4D for 100 bucks right here. The Skate High, that took a couple of Tigers to make right there. 20 bucks for those. Mach 5 right here, and then is this the Bondi? Oh, the Clifton 9s. Clifton 9s. Oh my goodness, these are so freaking comfy. What size is this? 80 bucks is a bargain. It is a size 11. 11 women's, 9.5 men's. Damn, that's a good price right there. Got 10 minutes before they close. You got some Air Morph Tempos in the kiddo size right here. I'm a fan of this colorway right here. And that one, especially for that price. And look at this for grade school, $70? $70, are you serious? If you're a woman that can fit that, man, you're finding some bargains. 100 bucks for that one right there. Speed Turf, a couple of those very solid prices for kids. And then for kids right here, but if you're a woman and you can fit this, that's what's up. $30, 30 freaking bucks. Chucks right there, 20 and 20. Leather Chucks for girls, boys, women, $30, $30, $30. Not the most hype stuff, but some of the best bargains, especially since all the champs that are closing, they really have nothing by now. But yeah, man, some of the best bargains in town. They do have some of the hoodies that I still like right here. These are pretty nice. Pretty nice. You get a nice little collar look to it. Not really a collar, but kind of, sort of. But yeah, these normally are what, 80 bucks or something? These are down to $40. I'm 99% sure they're 40 bucks. I do see larges. So got decent size. XL right here. Got some decent sizes. Nike running. Usually hell expensive, $68. $30 for that pullover right here. And these are mediums. Got a bunch of those. Those are new. Then I still got these hoodies. These hoodies have been here forever. These are down to $30, normally $100. Adidas hoodie right here. This is actually nice. I haven't seen too many Adidas hoodies like that. Dope little emblem right there. This is normally $100 down to $30. I like that color. Jordan t-shirts right here down to 30 bucks. It does say oversized. Yeah, it says oversized fit. So small. Fools who wear media could probably wear it. Normally $47.50 down to 30 bucks for a freaking t-shirt. That's crazy. I say that's crazy and I have like 200 pairs of sneakers at home. Yeah, not really. Doesn't make sense. So if you listen to me, you know, I don't make sense. It's all good. But yeah, I do got these right here. These are 30 bucks. These ain't bad. These are normally freaking 75 bucks. Only have small and medium though, so sizing definitely an issue. They have one XXL. Alright, not the craziest with apparel. I don't see too many new things. Maybe since Christmas done, they haven't gotten all the new shipments. $68. Saw $5 Rooks and Crooks. Is that what that was? I don't know, dude. UNC, is that a UNC? Is that a freaking UNC championship right here? This is pretty dope. $30 down to $5. That is a small. That's pretty dope if you have one of those UNC shorts that you got for $5. So even when this place is pretty dead, they still got fire stuff. There's like a dry fit shirt right here for $5. East Bay stuff. East Bay brand stuff, super high quality. Also the Champ Sports gear. I'm telling you, their stuff is really good quality. I've bought a bunch of their socks. Very happy with them. So yeah, even when it's not super live, like, man, their prices are just crazy. Definitely worth the stop. I don't think I got the 15 to 25 minutes that I try to go for in every video, so we'll stop by a couple more spots. I've mentioned numerous times, this mall is one of the deadest malls ever. Even the anchor location's pretty much nothing. Forever 21, a semi-anchor store, not here. Look, this whole wing, there's nothing. There's nothing. Holy cow. Got the slids, they're closing up. But look, they do have $10 knits. To be honest, they've had these for a while. Nothing too crazy. Steelers right here. Do got Angels right here as well. And it says semi-annual clearance sale, but I don't really see anything else. I just see that. It just says clearance. Nothing's really marked. They got a bunch of hats. Bunch of fitted hats right here. Bunch of sizes. All go for $10. White Sox right here. Is that the Red Sox? I don't know. Oh, Comiskey Park. That's the White Sox. I think, right? I don't know. Got Lakers right here. Got Dodgers with the World Series. So $10 hats ain't bad. This LA right here. The fact that these are all fitted, pretty decent. Alright, I'm gonna let them close up. Another thing crazy about this mall, they close at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. That Ross already closed. The Burlington stays open till 10 because they have a outdoor entrance. Shoot, does that mean I have to walk outside the mall? Like, damn, I don't want to walk that far. All right, that's what I do for you guys. Let's go. Starting with the apparel, PSG apparel right here. This isn't PSG Nike. This is just PSG, their own brand. Still super fire, especially if you have any PSG Jordans. $6 for PSG gear. That's ridiculous. That is a size large. Do got this right here as well. This is all jacked up though. It's all jacked up. I don't know if it comes out on camera. All scratched up, like a cat got to it, or someone with really long nails and who's not happy about certain things or something. I don't know. 25 bucks right there. That is a size large. I am a fan of those, but this one's kind of jacked up. That is like a U brand. Got multiple PSG shirts. So that's not bad. Not bad. Got them in medium. Also got them right here as well. Okay. Especially for $6. They look kind of jacked up, but $6. What can you expect? I wouldn't get them, but I'm just saying. Got Reebok vests right here. Do got Reebok vests. Oh shit! I'm gonna have to walk around the whole goddamn mall. $90 down to. Did I miss a tag? I don't see a tag. But $90 down to way cheaper. Yeah, man. I'm gonna have to walk around the whole freaking mall. God dang it. I'm too lazy for that, man. Yeah, that's about it in the apparel section. Just not much. I haven't checked over there. Then moving on to the sneakers, I already see the Immortality 3s right here, $40 for those. Not pandas. I thought these were some fake Crocs. Nah, these are legit Crocs. Legit Crocs, $20. $20, we're back to seeing Crocs for 20 bucks. That's what's up. These are size 11. Adidas, what are these? Adidas clogs? Yeah, Adidas clogs. That is $20 for those, size 9. Vapor cleats right here. 25 for those. Dog, really? I thought those were some Jordan 2s. I was like, Jordan 2s usually got soft leather. These look plastic as hell. What the hell? What the hell? Superstars. Got some Superstars right here for $30. Man, damn, that's a lot going on there. The Zoom Freak 3s right here for $50. Got some Kukunis right here going for $50 as well. Candace Parkers right here. These were marked down recently. And they're marked down for $25. I've seen these in a bunch of different sizes. I don't know, maybe they're all the same size, but I have seen a bunch of those. No, they're different sizes because these are size 10, those are an 11. Red cleats right here, these are 10.5. 25 for those. And got another colorway right here. That's a size 12. Here and more up-tempo slides are making their way to these discount stores. I think Ross. I think someone told me Ross just earlier today. More of these Crocs. More of these legit Crocs here. That's good news. And they're lowering the price too. 25. Yeah, 25. That was 20. More and more Crocs, yo. That's what's up. $20. They're getting cheaper and cheaper too. That's what's up. Checking out the women's right here. Not really finding much, to be really honest. Got some bootleg Chuck Taylors. Okay, do got some Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. They dropping the price. $43. That's what's up. These are comfy as hell. I did get my kid one of those. But yeah, not really much else. Dang, now I'm just regretting that I have to walk outside. I got some ID foams right here. $33. Size 9 in the men's. But that's it. That's it, man. That's pretty much about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Press that like button if you're new. Subscribe. And we're doing our thing, guys. Got plenty of videos coming. Heading out midweek, so I can get you guys plenty of videos right after Christmas. And we out, you guys. We out, man. Guess I have to go walk around the whole goddamn mall now. All right, see you. Peace. All right, so I did go to work today. Then hit up a couple malls after. Then I'm out in Brea, Orange County. Came to the Improv to go see a couple of my favorite comics. All right, let's go. Let's go. Oh, Dante's gonna be here next year. There you go, Dante Chang. There you go. Then here to watch the homegirls. Kim Congdon, Sarah Weinschenk. All right, let's go. Let's go. Finished with the comedy show, Hormos. We got Josh Potter right there. We got Kim Congdon. We got Sarah Weinschenk doing a meet and greet and stuff. That's kind of cool. He's doing a magic trick. Kind of random, but always a fun time. Always a fun time.